Hi, I'm Dave Berberick, and I teach music at Black Hill State and was honored to be asked to be a part of this at home concert series. Thank you for the opportunity, Rod Garnett. Um, Glad to be here, glad to do this. I want to just say a few things. One, this is a new thing for me to be playing and singing at the same time, so bear with me. The other thing is, I didn't use any fancy mics to record the music you're hearing, so um, the quality is what it is, but I think it sounds authentic, and I think you'll get a sense of what I'm trying to do. So it should be a good experience for you all, hopefully. Um, and then just a word of thanks again for tuning into this and all the other concert series that you've been watching. I hope it's been a place for you to get your musical outlets when we have this challenging time in front of us with not being able to go see live music. So glad to be a part of this. Hope you enjoy my first tune. It's a finger pick tune, a little ditty I came up with when I was first learning how to finger pick. And it's just an A jam, I call it. Enjoy.
A-Jam.
This next tune you're going to hear was written by my good friend Eric Fleming. It's called Capo 2, and Eric and I used to play this song together when we were in bands together about 20-ish years ago. He said it was cool that I use this for this project since the part that I'm playing is the part that I came up with for his song. So I was a lead player, he was a rhythm player, and so the two parts working together made this kind of cool whole. So what you're going to hear is my part in the lyrics, and hope you enjoy it.
Well, incline your ears, you got nothing to lose. For the guys who just see the mind light in view, you gotta listen. Think and then love. Got a little devil with a pig on his hand. Gonna sail with me to uncharted land. You gotta listen. Think and then love. Lost and found, I'm going down. I'm a kamikaze cat, triangle bound. You gotta listen.
So I'm going to play a song that actually has taken a very long time to write. I came up with the riff when I was in college and never quite went anywhere with it. And actually, somebody I know borrowed it for a song that he made up. But I always kind of held on to it. And then I kind of finally came up with a premise of writing about my mom and her faith and our faith and kind of our life story. So it's called 3 in 1. Hope you enjoy it.
When I was young, my mom got sick. She couldn't have more than one kid. 1, 2, 3, 3 in 1. The times were tough, and money was scarce. Too many bills, we needed prayers. Keep going through forever, 3 in 1. No time for pointing fingers every which way. We can pay our debts, making joy from joy from day to day. Budgets and goals fill the holes for the 3 in 1. Rag angel of God, my guardian dear, in whom God's love and trust lead me. Ever this day be at our side, watching God to rule and guide. Keep your eye on the 3 in 1. Taking down our bad, making choices that judge our faith. We're offering up hope, reaching home plate. Home run for the 3 in 1. Now that mom's gone, the world feels weird. But I know her spirit hasn't disappeared. Bitter pill, but the cure is still the 3 in 1. She joins a crowd of friends and family, and all we've done lives in our memory. Mom's free, she can see beyond the 3 in 1. Yeah, the 3 in 1.
Here's another song that my friend Eric and I actually helped write this one as well. It's called Ode to Bob Barker. Now, for those of you who watched The Price is Right, about 20 years ago, you'll know that he was the host of that popular game show. And so my buddy Eric used to love this show, and he wrote a song about, I guess, some of the cheesier aspects of Bob and how the show was ran in those days. So I hope you enjoy Ode to Bob Barker.
Bob Barker. Oh, to Bob Barker. My fingers are gone, gone, gone. They're gone. I got new to today, not just running away from Bob. Come on down. The voice said to me, play the best that you can. If you're right, you can stand next to Bobby. You never saw that this day would come. Wheels and deals just to pass it on. Your hands in my hand and this wrinkled old man trying me, letting me out of his sight. The price is right. Price is right. at 10. Didn't brush my teeth, skipped a shower to see his men. Bob came on with his beauty queens, with this crusty old man with a mic in his hand, with some booty. Never clear motorbike and a Plymouth neon, pontoon boat and the stuff from Upjohn. All these things I would happily pawn. Make ready for me in the showcase showdown tonight. But the price is right. Price is right. Price is right. My Pringles are gone.
I want to thank you for joining me in this concert. Last two pieces I'm going to play for you today are both instrumental. The first one I dedicated to my grandma who just passed away. It's a nice little finger pick tune that I came up with recently. And then the last tune is my rendition of the Graduation March. I did a video recently for graduating seniors who couldn't have graduations, and figured out how to play this song and thought I'd include it as the closing track for my concert. Once again, thank you for joining me, and have a great summer.
Grandma.